I am the sound of rushing waters. So, I am God. I have made a lot of videos explaining who I am. I've explained what witchcraft is, what magic is, and I've explained how the world is trying to be me. The world is always trying to be me. So I realized something very recently. Well, within the last few hours, I've realized this. So, in the book of Revelation, in the Bible, in the scriptures, it talks about the double-edged sword that comes from the mouth. It talks about the sound of rushing waters, the roar of rushing waters. It talks about, in the book of Revelation, it speaks about the dragon who goes after the woman, right? He chases after the woman, and from his mouth comes a river of water, which the earth swallows up. So the thing is that my surname is Salvin, which is spelled S-A-L-V-I-N. It's a name that has, well, it came across with the Normans. Well, that's the thing, it can be spoken in a French way, S-A-L, Sal, Vin, V-I-N, or Va, because in French, Vin is Va. You say Va, so my surname can be pronounced Salva. And the thing is that everyone has my name on the tip of their tongues. Saliva. Saliva. Yeah. And this is the thing, right? My cousin, who was King David, he married a woman called Eva. I-V-A. Iva. Yeah. The thing is that everyone in this world wants to be me. They have a God complex. That's what they have. You see, they think they're me when they're not. I've explained that this world is evil. And it uses word magic to steal my power. And this is what's been happening. So people speak with saliva in their mouths. Yeah. And all the things that they lick and spit and stuff like, oh yeah. Spitfire. Oh yeah, the planes. Yeah, I've always been a plane eater, apparently. Yeah, what's true. I've always been, well, there's a reason for it. It all has to do with magic. My lighter, it needed a refill. Oh. Oh, hang on. That's better. So we could go through some examples. Okay. So Revelation 1:16. Start there. Okay. 1:16. We have. In his right hand he held 7 stars, and coming out of his mouth was a sharp, double-edged sword. So the thing is that what is a double? Well, if everyone is being a clone or a clown, it's an interesting though, isn't it? Clone and clown, yeah. Anyway, double. People are being doubles. And this is the thing, the world has convinced them. The world has done evil magic. Everyone's walking around with my name on their tongues. So, yeah, there will be weeping and gnashing of teeth. I wonder why. This is the thing, people have been blessed. They've been blessed with my name on their tongues. All this time. I've been here for 36 years. And people have had my name on their tongues. And they've been blessed. They don't know where their blessings come from, but they have them. They've been blessed, but, now is the time that ends. People aren't getting away with, those who don't love me, well, they're out of luck. There's, they can't keep wandering around playing this stupid game. This is the thing. I'm the dragon. I'm the dragon that spews water out of his mouth after the woman. After the, and that's the thing. The world swallows it up. See, I speak and everyone else is doing witchcraft to pretend like I don't exist. The world is very, very confused about me. Obviously. Well, the world wants to confuse it. The world is participating in a war of magic with me. So I'm fighting against all the people who hate me, all the people who are influenced by foul spirits. And the thing is that people have been playing a game of magic. It's been a war of magic with me, and they aren't even conscious of the situation. They didn't even know. But that's the thing. All they had to do was love me. That's all they had to do. But they didn't. So what else we got here? Oh, right, the Lamb and the 144,000. So what does it say here? Yeah. Okay, chapter 14, verse 2. And I heard a sound from heaven like the roar of rushing waters and like a loud peal of thunder. Okay. And if we look at chapter 19, verse 15, coming out of his mouth is a sharp sword with which to strike down the nations. He will rule them with an iron scepter. He treads the winepress press of the fury of the wrath of God Almighty. On his robe and on his thigh he has this name written, King of Kings and Lord of Lords. So, there are lots of examples. The thing is that I'm God, I'm Jesus, I'm the dragon, I'm the one that the world doesn't want to listen to. The world doesn't want to listen to me and prevents me from being heard by pretending to be me. How is it that my surname is on the tip of everybody's tongues? Saliva. Grand Salva. Yeah, do you understand? Do you understand how this is well, it's me explaining how evil the world is. You ever understand or you don't? I've made so many videos explaining the situation. And that's the thing, right? Okay, so, Spitfire. So, I'm British. I come from Scotland. I was born in Scotland. I live in England. My parents, my biological mum and dad, they were Scottish. So, the planes that were used in World War II, Spitfire. Spitfire. So what that is saying, what you're saying is that spit, saliva, is fire. Okay? That's what that, I'm talking about magic. What is the lake of fire? Spit, saliva, spitfire. So everyone's got fire in their mouths. Except the thing is that I am the all-consuming fire. I'm God. My power is my power. The problem is in this world that people want to steal my power. Much like Adam and Eve. Yeah? What did they do? They did something they weren't meant to do. What was that? Well, they wanted to make me irrelevant, essentially. But they chose to do something that was attacking me. And that is what the world does. The world is constantly participating. The world is in a magic war against me all the time. It doesn't stop. The world doesn't want to stop. And the saliva, salva, salvin, the waters, yeah. This is a big part of it. What can I say? What's that song by Oasis? Don't look back in anger. Sally can wait. She knows it's too late as we're walking on by. Yeah. I hate that song. I was never really a fan of Oasis, really. I was bought that album when I was a little kid. My mum's girlfriend. She bought it for me. What's the story, Morning Glory? I did like that song, Champagne Supernova, actually, when I was a kid. A bit cheesy now, but you know what I'm saying. Oh, it's a bit old now. It's a bit old now. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, still enjoyed it. Whatever. Bunch of arseholes. Noel Gallagher, leading guy up there. Whatever, right? What the fuck am I even talking about? Seriously. I can't think of anything else to say. What else can I say? You know, that I haven't said already. You know? I've got so many videos I've lost count. So many hours of spewing water out of my mouth. But the world, all it does is it swallows it up. You know, that's the thing. The foul spirits work with those who don't love me. And they block. It's all about blocking me. It's all about keeping me in the darkness. It's all about hiding me. It's all about making sure I'm never heard by anybody. Yeah. And all the time this was happening, everyone had my name on the tip of their tongue. And they just yap, 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 yap. Yeah. Well, I've spoken the truth. I've told you now who I am. If you can't see the connection between, if you can't recognize what I'm saying, well, it's your problem.